Hi kids, it's me, Mr. Ugly, with another fucking automotive video. Yo, so look, I searched on the YouTube for a Camp 98 Mercedes-Benz. It's an E320, and I was looking like how to replace the camshaft sensor, which is this guy. And I couldn't find no good videos, man, but it's real simple. It's right there. And it's like that's an E8 or E6, E5 or some shit. Inverted Torx bit. And all you gotta do is push that, or like put a man, you could put like a screwdriver on the in there and just pull it out. But first I would take it out, take this bolt out and then pull it out, and then you could take the sensor off easy. Otherwise you might run into this stuff. But that's the camshaft position sensor on a 98 E320. We also got to replace this tensioner pulley. That's this idler pulley that got messed up with the belt. So yeah, that's it. Camshaft position sensor. I saw a bunch of videos that were trash, and just to show something simple like that, man, it's right there. Okay, so right there is the highest pulley. Just come right here. Got you dipstick, and it's right there. So yeah, man, I just took out, I use a 6mm. So if you don't have an inverted Torx, you can use a 6mm socket and get it out. I would clean out this port though, because that's why the sensor goes bad. It gets a bunch of trash on it, like this one. Probably look like they got the O-ring on it and shit, but this one comes with a new O-ring. So, but yeah, it gets like dirty in here. You just want to clean that out. But I put the 6mm, took it out, and then you just push this tab, and it comes right out. And just an easy way to, you know, install it. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in there. And all you got to do is just put the little 6mm on there and plug it in there, tighten it down. That's it. 98 E320 camshaft position sensor on the 98 E320 Benz.